Did you really think I could have lifted the trampoline up?
Mama, so as soon as they told me, when it was sharing time, that when it was this morning, her shed got up, and she was in the shed, and she scraped her a little bit of her leg, and she cried.
Oh no. Now it's raining. What do you think happened to our trampoline?
It flew. Did it fly?
Yep.
I wish I was there to see it fly. Did you video it?
No, I was at work.
How did you know it flew?
Well, I'm just guessing. It damaged my plants. It snapped off the pear tree that I bought last year.
Oh my gosh! All of these stuff.
Yeah. Everything. Have a look at the tree. The
What
branch.
What tree?
A pear tree that I bought from the Morgan Park last year. Here's the cutting. That's the tree.
That damaged it.
Yeah, see? That was there.
Mama, imagine if the whole veranda flew.
Oh, I'm not happy.
I'm not happy either. I like where it stayed.
And look,
Mama,
huh?
if I happen to play it with a Cena, it'll be in Adelaide.
That's a long drive.
It's just 1 hour. Mommy,
Yeah.
I'm gonna play with Mary at 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Wait, what? Can I play with you too?
I don't think you could go into my road.
Can I friend her?
She doesn't want to find you.
Why not?